Roses will try to serve it out. Right.
Para siya na yung tagapantay natin.
That's right. By Rachel. The two-time MVP folds.
Much to her dismay also. Atay ba?
Right. Malse now in front, race to 26. Din. Caligurado. De Leon. Valdez. Back up there by Gonzaga. They go to Aganon off the block. Lazaro. De Leon. Jaja. Rachel. Solo. Back up by Lazaro. Saltones.
And Saltones.
Check ball. They close.
And this work for Coach Roger in the third set.
One more time around. Amanda Villanueva serving for the set. Right. Agno. Salak. Aganon. Bag up that time by Villanueva. 3 balls from Valdez. Salak. Aganon. Wow!
Alam mo, binigay niya yung bola niya Barbara. Nakita ko siya, binigay niya si Salak. She asked for that ball.
What did China do to you, Mina?
Oh, hindi niya. I like her. I like that attitude. Ang klase.
Mina now to serve, tied at 25. Roses. Habol si De Leon. Saltones off the block.
Walang pressure.
She skipped to her service area.
Parang Jack and Jill lang yung umiikot sa ulo niya na kanta, di ba?
Jump serve pati. Oh!
And it hits the tape of the net.
Amazing. Race to 28.
Bakla sa mga players natin na itong game na to.
Salak serving.
As expected.
Valdez. Set ball and goes in.
Set point now for PLDT.
Another set
Kanina pa
point.
yan. Actually, paulit-ulit.
It's their third one.
How Army will go about this one.
Aganon. Salak. They go to Gonzaga tonight. Still good. Ruby. Valdez. Why not?
I knew she was going to take that one.
That's the last one. Kailangan pumunta sa MVP. And Eliza Valdez ties us up at 2 sets apiece. We are going to a 5th set. Shaky, shake and play. The MVP delivers for PLDT home Ultera, and the crowd goes wild. Race to 15, 5th set for the championship when we return. Titignan natin some of the highlights here. Eliza Valdez all of a sudden rising to the occasion here. Sa ating pong, look at the crowd reaction after this hit from Eliza to send us to a 5th set. At talagang parang lumilindol po dito sa loob ng San Juan Arena. Puwera biro po. When Eliza Valdez got that